once federal troops are removed from the South at the end of Reconstruction, we enter a period called redemption. And this is when we get poll taxes, literacy tests, etc. These are functionally laws that remove African Americans from the electorate. But as this quote shows, there remains this concern that unless African American voting is all the way down to zero, that there's still a problem. For most states, disfranchisement resulted in an increase in electing Democrats in places with more African Americans. Disfranchisement seems to result in roll call voting. In some states, certainly that is less in line with African Americans' preferences. Even in these Democrat-dominated places, disfranchisement appears to have sort of reduced disagreement among Democrats. One interpretation of that is that fraud and violence weren't enough to reduce African American political participation. And while that's true to an extent, I just want to emphasize the sort of fraud and violence still very clearly produced politics, ideological choices that gave African Americans a limited voice.